Figuring out what you should charge brands for content can be very confusing, especially because there are so many different formulas that we can figure out, and most of the time we're just kind of pulling numbers out of our ass. But Aspire actually did a survey. They surveyed 1,000 creators, and we've got some stats to share with you. This right here is a rundown of who they surveyed, so like who these creators actually were. The first thing here shocked me. Okay, 83% of creators said that they would still work for a brand just for free products as long as they genuinely love the brand or it was a high ticket product. Okay, my first problem is, why are we still working for free? Why? Listen, if you are just getting started, that's fine, okay? But I don't care if you genuinely love the brand. First of all, you should only be working with brands that you genuinely love. And you should be getting paid unless you are brand spanking new. Rant somewhat over. So one way that marketers actually figure out how to pay us as creators is by using the cost per engagement model. So according to Aspire right here, this is a pricing metric that marketers use to determine how much they're paying for each actual interaction, each engagement, if you will. And on each platform, this is what they consider like engagement. And this is what Aspire has found from the last year of their partnerships that they ran on Aspire, what the cost per engagement on average actually was. When it comes to a cost per engagement model, this is how people actually can figure out what they should be charging. And you could go through, take a screenshot of this and actually do this for your own page and see if what you charge is in line with this cost per engagement typical cost. Another way that marketers can figure out how to pay creators or what to pay creators is by cost per impression. So this is the cost that an advertiser pays for 1,000 views or 1,000 impressions on an influencer's post. And these are the average cost per impressions per channel, the most popular channels. And in the blue box down here, that's how it's actually calculated by the brands. In my experience, have I seen most brands using one of these formulas? No, not really. But I've definitely encountered brands that are like, according to the way that we calculate rates, probably one of these, your rate is too high or whatever. So I think it's smart for you as a creator to calculate with both of these formulas what your rate should be and see how far off yours is. Not to say that that's wrong or that you need to change it, but I think it's just an interesting perspective to keep in the back of your mind. If you are trying to figure out what other creators are actually charging, grab the creator rate sheet in our profile. It has literally hundreds of creators that I actually got information from to see how much they were charging for Instagram and TikTok posts. And it's really interesting to compare your rates to theirs.